If you never cleaned out your garbage disposal, after watching this, you probably should. First, take some ice, dump it down your garbage disposal, run some water nice and slow, nice and warm, and oh my God.
Yeah, that works, but what I recommend is a liquid soap detergent and hot water. That does the trick as well. I can actually show you a garbage disposal that's not installed already. This is what a disposal looks like when it's not already installed in your kitchen. Here's your entrance point to your disposal. Pour your liquid soap and warm water down your drain. Turn on the disposal and it will rise up to clean out everything in your disposal, just like it did in the video. Whether it's ice cubes, liquid soap, and warm water, either or should clean your garbage disposal just the same.